Hi, today I'm Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So to do that, we should first open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this first application, so that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So then we should tap to open the app. Here read the description, click yes I agree, tap to close, to OK, and we'll see here information about our battery temperature. So here we can see that it has 32 and 6 degrees. Also we can see here just another information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.